In this video, I'm going to show you how you can stop all pop-up notifications from your Dstv stream app. So if you're getting distracted by unwanted notifications, then let me show you how you can permanently stop them. For this demonstration, I'm going to use Redmi Note 10. However, this process should be the same on any other Android smartphone. Now, the first thing you need to do is to go to Settings, and from Settings, look for the option called Apps. Then look for Manage Apps, and this will open all the apps you have on your smartphone. Now scroll down until you get to Dstv Stream, and here it is. Tap on it to open. Now, as you can see, all notifications are set to yes. To stop them, we need to open this and then go ahead and toggle off this. Now this will go ahead and turn off all the vibrations, all the play sounds, and all the floating notifications that usually pop up from your Dstv Stream mobile app. So that's how you stop pop-up notifications from your Dstv Stream app permanently. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video is helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.